I dreamed last night I got on the boat to heaven, and by some chance I had brought my dice along, and there I stood, and I hollered, someone fade me, but the passengers all knew right from wrong. For the people said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. The people said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. Oh, the devil will drag you under by the sharp lapel of your checkered coat. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. I sailed away on that little boat to heaven, and by some chance found a bottle in my fist, and there I stood, nicely passing out the whiskey, but the passengers were bound to resist. For the people said, beware, you're on it. Said, beware, beware. And as I laughed at those passengers to heaven, a great big wave came and washed me ashore. And as I sank, and I hollered, someone save me, that's the moment I woke up. Thank the Lord.